Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day.
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose.
I'm so excited y'all are here. I just came back from the mall. We went shopping at a bunch of stores and I got stuff from 2 different places, so I'm gonna show you that really quick. First, I went to Aritzia. I spent too much money, but I got 3 different things. They always wrap it so nicely. Okay, so first I got these boxer shorts. Look at how freaking cute these are. This was $58. Then I got another pair of boxer shorts. This one was $48. I'm gonna wear these to bed as it gets warmer outside. And then the last thing I got, which I cannot even justify the price on this thing because it was too expensive. This is like a little button-down shirt, flannel. It's so cute. I love the stripes on this. But y'all are gonna scream when I tell you that this was $88. For my Anthropologie haul, so in case you guys didn't know, I posted an announcement on, I forget which Vlogmas day it was, but I bought a house in Boise, Idaho. And so we've been getting so many different things for the house, and I got some things today from Anthropologie. First, I got a huge black volcano candle. Volcano candles are literally my favorite thing in the whole entire world because they just smell so good. This is what it looks like. You guys have probably seen the volcano candles before. They taped it shut though, so it's gonna like not fall. Then I got another volcano candle, except for this one is like the baby version. So it's really tiny, but it's also black. I just think it's a great color that I want to put in the house. Look at how cute and tiny this one is. I'm obsessed. And then last 2 things I got are for the white elephant that we're gonna be doing at our Christmas party. So the theme is self-care, and this is what I got. I got these hair clips from Anthropologie. It's like 3 different cute color designs. And then I got this Mario Badescu spray. It's like lavender and aloe vera. That's my haul from today. Okay, I'm in my mom's closet right now, which has all of our wrapping stuff. I have a bag that I'm gonna put the white elephant gift in, and this is it. It says snowy. Our budget was $25 and the theme was self-care. So yeah, this was about $25. These clips were $18 and then this one was $12, but they were like discounted, so it actually ended up totaling to like $25. Elephant gift is done. It is 7:20 and at 8 o'clock Catherine and I are gonna go to the gym. I tried self tanner drops on today. I didn't wear any makeup. All I did was just the self tanner drops, so I don't know if it even worked or if it even looks good, but yeah, I think I want to stop like wearing makeup completely and just do the self tanner drops and just kind of let it act as my tinted moisturizer that I usually use. We'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put this under the tree. I'm currently in my guest room and I wanted to show you guys everything that I've accumulated so far for the new house because I thought this would be interesting to do progress because we're just gonna keep on getting new stuff because I'm starting obviously from scratch. I don't have any like basic cooking utensils and all that, so I had to get it. I'm gonna show y'all. But first off, like you guys saw, I got volcano candles. I have a huge obsession, and so the other day we actually got even more. So I have this white volcano candle, the regular classic blue volcano candle, a pumpkin dolce volcano candle. This one is so good. And then I got the original volcano candle, but in this super cute rose gold color. Got this thing from Michael's. This is like, I've had this on my TV stand for a while, but I just decided to put it in here since I decorated my room for Christmas. I just thought I would put this in the kitchen, maybe put like oils on top of here. Just like a cute little kitchen decor thing. Then I've got some metal straws. Some of these are from like brands that have sent it to me. They're just in here. Then I've got these little reusable Ziploc bags. This is my favorite thing to put snacks in because you can just wash it, and instead of like throwing away plastic and stuff, you can just put your snacks in. All right, then I've got 2 mason jars. My mom actually got these from somewhere. I don't think I'm going to be keeping the straws of these, but I'll definitely be keeping the jars itself and like drinking lots of water in them. And, oh, I never showed you guys this. Okay, so I surprised my boyfriend with a date about a month ago, and basically I planned like the whole day, and I took him to this place where you can paint pottery. It's called the Art Garage, and so we painted things, and this is what he painted. He's like extremely talented, is super good at art, so he made this. And mine is not that good because I had something to go off of, but it's just a little mug with dots. And then yeah, the inside looks like that. I'm gonna bring these both to the new house. He wouldn't keep his, he insisted that I kept it. Then I've got some like fall decor and stuff in here, but we don't really need to show that. Now for the kitchen stuff. We got a bunch of stuff the other day from Home Goods. First we've got this little whisk. It's got this nice little handle on it, pretty color. We got lots of tongs. This is like the biggest tong that we got. And then we got a bunch of little ones. And then here's a medium one. I think it came in a set. Then we got a bunch of these like bamboo cooking spoons and stuff. Yeah, I'm really excited. These are all like super versatile. Then we got a can opener. These are amazing. An apple slicer, because we've always grown up having an apple slicer in the house. None of us are like precise enough to actually cut an apple and make it look right. So this is the best thing ever. You literally just like put it on top of the apple and then like push down and it slices it in these little slices, and it gets the core out, which is really helpful. Then my mom told me, she was like very adamant that I got this. It's a pancake flipper, or like a crepe flipper, because we make crepes at our house and it's really important to have a thin little edge like this. All right, then we got another whisk. This one's a baby whisk. And then a lemon juicer. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be making lemon water 24/7 at the new house. I just know it. And then last but not least, we got like so many of these food clips. They also are magnetic, so you can put these on the fridge and stuff. But these are great to close bags of food or things, just to keep it like fresh. So that's all like the utensil stuff that we have so far. I got most of these from Home Goods, World Market, Target. Amazon Prime sent this to me the other day. It's like an what's it called? It's the Ecolution Micro Pop Popcorn Popper. I already have another one in there. It's like the big old-fashioned popcorn maker. I'm gonna take this also to the new house. I got all of my silverware from Crate & Barrel. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. So it's stainless steel, and this is what, I'm gonna take one of them out. I'm gonna take a knife out. I wanted to do black silverware. My mom said it's not a good idea because when you put it in the dishwasher and stuff, or you hand wash it, it chips and like fades the color. So this is the color of my silverware. I am obsessed with it. When I saw it on Crate & Barrel, I was like, that's the one. I mean, you'll see more of it when I move in and stuff, but so excited. I'll probably keep updating y'all as we get more things, but we're not gonna be moving in until June, so we do have a little bit of time, obviously. I just wanted to show y'all like the basics, the things that we have so far.
Season, 'cause who needs a tradition? Movie marathon for one is all